This is AK from the commentary box. Thank you, Amit. Thank you for that introduction and introducing all the ladies on the grid. Viewers, as mentioned, this is part of the MRF MMSC FMSC Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship. This is the TVS One Make Championship Girls Race 2. This is the race 2 of the girls category. This is the last race of this category for the weekend. The grid is set. The 1 minute board is out. The race would start in a minute. We have 15 riders on the grid. We have 15 riders there on the grid to start. The 30 seconds board is out from the starters box. We'll have a 5-second board and then the race would start. That's a 5-second board. The lights would be on shot. The lights are on. And the race is on. That's a very good start for the pole setter, Jagati Shri from Chennai. Oh, there is a rider who has dropped the bike. Rider number 14, Sanjana from Trichy. As we move on corner 1, it's pole setter Jagati Shri leading the race, followed by Arpita from Bangalore on P2. The pole setter has still not taken a complete lead. There's a close fight happening for the top 3 positions as the riders move on to turn 3. Brilliant. Sanjana has taken the start. On your screen is the live race there with the pole setter Jagrati taking. That's Sanjana from Trichy on your screen, who had dropped her bike and picked up and started. As we go to the live race, the riders are now at turn 6. The leader has moved away from the bunch. As we get closer, that's bike number 10, Jagrati, leading the race. This is the lap 1 of the TVS One Make Championship, the girls category race 2. As the riders come on the back straight, it's bike number 10, bike number 7 and bike number 3 in the 1, 2, 3 position respectively. That's Jagrati Kiran, Arpita and Rakshita Dev from Chennai. The riders now coming onto the final sector of lap 1. Race is led by Jagrati Kiran, followed by Arpita Bhatt. The riders are now on the bridge left-hander. There is a move done by rider number 8 on rider number 7. So Rakshita moves on to second position as they come to the end of lap 1. The leading bunch is led by Jagrati Kiran, followed by Rakshita Dev in second place. The riders are now in second lap, and thus Jagrati leading. There has been a fall there. That's bike number 5. Bike number 5 is ridden by Nishita. We are live back on the race. Here, this is the second lap of the 6th lap race. The current race leader is Jagrati Kiran, followed by Rakshita Dev, and on third place is Arpita. The riders, the leading bunch is now moved on to second sector at turn 4. There is a close battle for the second and the third position happening, while the race leader is ahead by a second. The fight for the second and third position is between bike number 8 and bike number 7. That's Rakshita and Arpita respectively. Jagati Shri joining the bunch for the fight. Rakshita Dev there closing on to the leader Jagrati. Although Jagrati had a 1 second lead at the beginning of this lap, it's The other riders are closing in now, and it's bike number 8 Rakshita closing in on to bike number 10 Jagrati Kiran there. And other riders joining the party here as well. There is a close battle for the 1, 2, 3 that we can expect. Jagrati trying to make a move on the inside on Jagati Shri. Was unsuccessful. As of now, the race leader is Jagrati, followed by Rakshita, and on third place is Arpita Bhatt. The riders are closely poised and they are entering the bridge corner for the end of lap 2. It's a close fight for the top 3 position, led by Jagrati. Arpita does a move on the bridge downhill and moves on to second place. And at the corner, last final corner, a close fight between Arpita and Rakshita, and Arpita holds on to her position and crosses the checkered line second, and on third position is Akshita Dev. While Arpita and Rakshita were fighting for the position, Jagrati moves ahead, and now Jagrati is made a 1.2 seconds lead over Arpita. Close battle there for the second and the third position there. Joining the party is bike number 11, Teresa. On your screen there is Jagrati Kiran leading the race, and a close battle for the second and third place between bike number 8, 7 and 9. That's bike number... The riders enter the second sector there. Jagrati leading the race, followed by Arpita Bhatt. And Rakshita Dev. There is a close battle for the second, third place. Bike number 9, bike number 8. That's Jagati Shri and Rakshita fighting for the second and third place. Arpita has moved on to P4. All 3 bikes fighting corner to corner. So the positions are changing every corner in this race. For the second, third, the riders are coming to the end of third lap as they climb the bridge complex. Coming down on P1 is Jagrati Kiran leading the race. The leaders now coming onto the home straight. Jagrati leading, followed by bike number 8 and bike number 7. The finishing order of the fourth lap is Jagrati Kiran on P1 and followed by Jagati Shri on P2, and on third place is Rakshita Dev, and on fourth place is Arpita. As I earlier mentioned, there is a close fight for second, third and fourth position, and they are changing their positions after every corner. While we move back to the race leader, that's Rakshita Dev closing on to the race leader Jagrati Kiran. Jagrati had a half a second lead at the beginning of this lap, but doesn't look like she can hold on to it. Rakshita Dev closing on to her there as they enter the second sector of this lap at turn 5. Jagrati losing on to the lead as the bunch is catching up with her of Jagati Shri and Rakshita. That's a close battle now for the first place between competition number 10, competition number 8 and competition number 9. We are on the penultimate lap of the race. The race leaders are competition number 10, competition number 9 and competition number 8. There is a close battle happening for the top 3 places. And the fourth rider joins the party here. On your screen, 4 riders competing for the top 3 places there. Competition number 10, competition number 9, competition number 8 and 7. They are Jagrati Shri, Arpita, Rakshita Dev fighting there for the top 3 places as they enter into the last lap. Jagriti still leading the race as they move on to the last corner. There is a close battle for the top 3 places, and the final lap would be interesting to see how they poise to there. We are on the final lap of the race as the race leaders move on to turn 1. Competition number 9 making a move there and unsuccessful. She still holds on to the second position, and on the lead is competition number 10, Jagriti, as they move on to the second corner of the last lap. We are on the last lap of the TVS 1 Meg Girls Novice Category Race 2. There are the race leaders. The race is led by competition number 10, Jagriti Kiran, followed very closely by competition number 9, who is trying to make a move there. Jagati Shri has made a move on Jagriti, and is Jagati Shri who is leading the race for the first time in the last lap. As I mentioned, it's a close battle now, and we did see a position now. Competition 9, Jagati Shri moving away from the bunch, and is Jagriti in second place. Will she hold on to her second place? We need to wait and watch. The race leader is now Jagati Shri, who is taken over from Jagriti and leading the bunch. There is now a close battle for the second and third place. Will there be a change? Will Jagriti hold on to her place 2 or fight for the place 1? The leading bunch is now at the fast right-hander, moving towards the fast left-hander. Jagriti is still trying to make a move, but Jagati Shri has pulled away from the bunch as they enter the final sector of the last lap. On third position is competition number 7, Arpita from Bangalore. She is trying to make a move on the left-hander at the bridge complex. No, Jagriti has significant lead there, and as the leaders enter onto the bridge complex, is Jagati Shri leading there as she comes onto the final corner. Will she take the checkered flag first? Time to wait and watch as I look through my window for the bikers to come, and yes, the checkered flag is taken by Jagati Shri, followed by Jagriti, and on third place is it's Arpita. It was a close finish between Arpita and Rakshita, and Arpita takes the podium finish there. It was a well-fought battle. The top 3 riders were in less than half a second difference. And a brilliant move by Jagriti Shri in the last lap at second sector on Jagriti Kiran. So Jagati Shri winning the race there and snatching it from the pole setter Jagriti Kiran. The other ladies finishing up the race here. While the riders come back to the park for me, a quick visit onto the race finishers. The race was finished on the top by Jagati Shri, followed by Jagriti Kiran. On the third place was Arpita, and on fourth place was Rakshita. On fifth was Teresa, and on sixth place was Renuka. On seventh place was Adeline, followed by Rishika Vijay, and on 9th place was Simki, and on 10th place was Zina, and on 11th place it was Rutu Prashant, and on 12th place it was Katta Rukmini Sirisha, and on 13th place it was Sanjana, and 14th place Nishita, and on the 1 lap down was Deepika Reddy. While we wait for the riders to come to the park for me, A quick update on the next race coming up. The next race is the TVS One Make Championship 2020 media race qualifying session. It would be a qualifying session for all the media people riding the TVS One Make. Over to my colleague at the pit lane to talk to the race winners there.
I had a good fight and it was a good race. And all competitions are very good. Enjoyed the race.
Yeah, it was a good race. Had a great fight with other competitors. Not satisfied, but yeah, I'll come back stronger in the next race. Thank you.
It was a good fun race. Had a little slower start, but I could gain the positions. I would like to thank TVS Racing and TVS Euro Group for the main machines and tires.